Okay, next topic is that is Cartesian product. Next topic is Cartesian product. So you can find Cartesian product of 2 sets, 3 sets, 4 sets. You can solve it. So first I will take basic definition, that is ordered pair. So what do you mean by ordered pair? Ordered pair means, so let us consider A and B are any two elements. Okay, A and B are any two elements listed in the order. Okay, so and written like this. So A and B are in between simple bracket, that is listed in a order in simple bracket, and this is called your first element and this is called your second element. A is called your first element and B is called your second element. So ordered pair means what? Two elements, any two elements, A and B. For example, A and B are listed in a order and written in between simple bracket, that is called your ordered pair. So first element is called, this is your first element and this is your second element. A is first element and B is second element. Okay, so usually that is in Cartesian coordinate system. So if you consider a plane system, that is Cartesian coordinate system, this is your x-axis and this is your y-axis. If you consider any point, it is represented by ordered pair. So x is first element, y is second element. X is called your x coordinate and y is called your y coordinate, right? So ordered pair means any two elements listed in the order, that is called your ordered pair. Two elements written in a simple bracket, that is called your ordered pair. Okay. Similarly, ordered triplet. So ordered triplet means three-dimensional. This is two-dimensional. So three-dimensional ordered triplet. Ordered triplet means, see here, any three elements A, B, C, any three elements written in a order in simple bracket, that is called your ordered triplet. So this is called the ABC in the form. In this form, that is called your ordered triplet. A is first element, B is second element and C is third element. Note that if AB ordered pair AB equal to CD, then definitely A is equal to C and B is equal to D. So first element is equal to first element and second element is equal to second element. You can take like this also. ABC equal to DEF. Okay, so definitely A equal to D, B equal to E, C equal to F. Remember it. Okay, so ordered pair means what? Two elements written in the order, that is called your ordered pair. Three elements written in the order, that is called your ordered triplet. So write it in a simple brackets, that is called your ordered pair and ordered triplet. Now Cartesian product. First one, Cartesian product of two sets. First I will consider, that is Cartesian product of two sets. Cartesian product of two sets. Okay. So here definition is A and B are any two sets. So A and B are any two non-empty sets. Okay. Now A cross B. A cross B is called your, so Cartesian product of A and B. It is denoted by A cross B. A cross B and is defined by A cross B equal to ordered pair A comma B such that A belongs to the set A, B belongs to the set B. Try to understand it carefully. That is A and B are any two non-empty sets. Okay, then Cartesian product of A and B, which is denoted by A cross B and is defined by A cross B is equal to set ordered pair A comma B such that first element belongs to the first set and second element belongs to the second set. That is your Cartesian product of two sets definition. For example, I will consider one example. A is equal to 1, 2, 3, B is equal to 4, 5. Okay. So A has three elements and B has two elements. So A cross B is equal to, so ordered pair AB, A must be belongs to the set A, B belongs to the set B. That means first element belongs to the first set, second element belongs to the second set. So how you write this one? 1, 4, 1 comma 4, 1, 5, 1, 4, 1, 5. Next 2, 4, 2, 4. Next 2, 5, 2, 4, 2, 5. Next 3, 4, 3, 4. Next 3, 5. 3, 4, 3, 5. Try to understand it carefully. First element must be belongs to the first set. Second element must be belongs to the second set. How you write this one? 1, 4, 1, 5. 2, 4, 2, 5. 3, 4, 3, 5. Okay. So you see here 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3. All the first elements are belongs to the set A only. Second elements 4, 5, 4, 5, 4, 5. So all the second elements belongs to the set B only. So first element belongs to the first set. Second elements belongs to the second set. So A cross B equal to 1, 4, 1, 5, 2, 4, 2, 5, 2. So how many elements? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So n of A, number of elements in set A is equal to 3. Number of elements in set B is equal to 2. So number of elements in set A cross B, number of elements in set A cross B is 6. Remember, if A has n number of elements, okay, sorry, m number of elements, and B has n number of elements, then A cross B has, that is m into n number of elements. So A has m number of elements, B has n number of elements. So A cross B has m into n number of elements. Okay, remember it carefully. So next, if A is equal to null set, if usually A and B are non-empty sets, if condition, okay, if A is equal to null set, then A cross B is equal to null set. If B is equal to null set, A cross B is equal to null set. If A is also null set and B is also null set, then A cross B is also null set. Remember, in any one of the two sets, so A and B, either A or B are both are null sets, then A cross B is equal to null set. Okay, so Cartesian product of null set with any set, that is equal to null set. Remember it. Okay. Next, Cartesian product of three sets. So next one, Cartesian product of three sets. Cartesian product of three sets means again A, B, C are any three sets. Okay. So A cross B cross C. So Cartesian product of three sets, which is denoted by A cross B cross C. A cross B cross C equal to that is set ordered triplet A, B, C such that A belongs to the set A, B belongs to the set B, and C belongs to the set C. So first element belongs to the first set, second element belongs to the second set, and third element belongs to the third set. Okay. So then only it is called your Cartesian triplet or Cartesian product of three sets. Okay. Now see here, I will take one example. A is equal to set 1, 2, B is equal to set 3, 4, C is equal to set 5, 6. Okay. So A, B, C are any three sets. So remember, first element must be belongs to the first set. That means A. So all the first elements of ordered triplets are belongs to the set A. So middle elements, that is second elements must be belongs to the set B. So all the second elements in ordered triplets, that is belongs to the set B. And third element in ordered triplet must be belongs to the third set, that is 5, 6. How you solve it? So write in a order only, otherwise you will get a confusion. See here, A cross B cross C. A cross B cross C is equal to, understand it carefully, first element belongs to the first set, second element belongs to the second set, third element belongs to the third set. So 1, 3, 5, 1, 3, 5. Next again 1, 3, 6. So 1, 3, 6. 1, 3, 5 and 1, 3, 6. Okay. Next, similarly, that is 1, 4, 5, 1, 4, 5 and 1, 4, 6. Next, second one, 2, 3, 5. Next to 2, 3, 6. Next, 2, 4, 5, 2, 4, Next 2, 4, 6. Okay. So how you write this one? That is 1, 3, 5, 1, 3, 6. Next 1, 4, 5. Next 1, 4, 6. Okay. Similarly 2, 3, 5, 2, 3, 6. Similarly 2, 4, 5, 2, 4, 6. So all the elements here. So 1, 1, 1, 1, 2, 2, 2, 2. First elements belongs to the set first A. So 3, 3, 4, 4, 3, 3, 4, 4. Second elements belongs to the second set. 5, so third elements 5, 6, 5, 6, 5, 6, 5, 6, 5, 6. So third elements belongs to the third set. A, that is set C. See here, A has 2 elements, B has 2 elements, C has 2 elements. 2 into 2, 4, 4 into 2, 8. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So n of A cross B cross C. So n of A is equal to 2, n of B is equal to 2, n of C is also 2. So n of A cross B cross C is equal to 2 into 2 into 2. That is 8 elements. So definitely in A cross B cross C there are 8 number of elements. So one triplet is one element, second triplet second element, third triplet third element, fourth triplet fourth element. So total 8 number of elements. So what we can say, if A has m number of elements, B has n number of elements, C has p number of elements, then A cross B cross C has m into n into p number of elements in general. Okay.